Introducing the next generation of XR professional power tools by DEWALT. The most compact, best performing brushless drills and impact drivers we've ever designed. The compact drill and impact driver feature optimized brushless motors for up to 30% faster application speeds. The compact drill has a brighter LED light that's up to 20 times brighter and can be used as a 20-minute task light in spotlight mode. The compact impact driver features precision drive torque control, engineered to help prevent stripped fasteners. This drill performs above its size and weight, capable of applications not possible with our last generation XR compact drill. And thanks to the Performance 2 next generation XR brushless motor, applications are performed up to 30% faster. Because when it comes to your workday, faster is better. Both powered by 20-volt max extreme runtime lithium-ion batteries, the DCD791, DCD796, and DCF887. With next-generation DEWALT XR brushless motors, designed to meet your needs, engineered to outperform, and built guaranteed tough.
Adams, company name is Adams & Son Construction. We've been around for 39 years. Mostly we do customized additions. You got a set of drawings, we show up and build it. From my kitchen cabinet side of it, it's great because there's a lot of times where you're in a 9 or a 12-inch cabinet joining them together, and the shortness across the top allows me to get my trim screws in and don't have to use an angle attachment, holding an angle attachment and the drill and everything, because it really works out well in my kitchen cabinet work. We've gone all day on one battery to where my other ones I would have to change out 2 or 3 times. It has given us everything we've.
Speed and more precision in a compact size. Introducing the 18-volt LXT lithium-ion brushless quick shift mode 3-speed impact driver.
It's a high-end hotel, Local 10, Chicago. The compact size is very important when you're inside tight spaces, inside a cabinet. The light is great.
In tightening mode, or T mode, the impact driver automatically downshifts and reduces rotation and impact speed just prior to driving the screw into place.
Yeah, tightening mode, I'm going to use that all the time. Too often do heads get stripped out. It's good for the tool.
Using the 3 speeds, we use it all the time. We're constantly changing for different applications.
Fantastic. Lots of speed for drilling through different material.
The XDT14Z is also equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's compatible with Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries with the fastest charge times in their categories. Makita lithium-ion tools, batteries, and chargers are backed by a 3-year limited warranty.
The 5 amp hour is awesome. Runtime is great. It's lighter than the other batteries I have. Yes, it's a great cordless. I would never go back to a corded tool.
It's part of the Makita 18-volt series, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. One LXT system compatible with over 150 solutions.
I would absolutely recommend it to anybody, my friends, neighbors, workmates.
The cordless PS42 and PS82 12-volt max brushless impact driver and impact wrench from Bosch. These professional tools are durable, precise, and compact for all your driving needs. Both models feature a brushless EC motor that's built to deliver up to double the performance lifetime. It's highly resistant to regular vibration, which wears out the brushes in impactors with DC motors, and features dust protective housing. Runtime is long as well, thanks to no mechanical energy loss and lightweight parts. And advanced electronics prevent overheating of the tool and the battery for longer life. Bosch offers two models for handling the big jobs. The PS42 delivers 975 inch-pounds of torque and comes with a 1/4 inch internal hex drive. The PS82 delivers 85 foot-pounds of torque and comes with a 3/8 inch square drive. Both are super compact and lightweight at just over 1.5 pounds for easier handling. Enjoy greater control and precision with the 2-stage power setting, which helps prevent overly turned screws and damaged work materials. 3 LED lights around the bit holder illuminate the work area. A battery indicator lets you know when the battery needs charging. And the tool comes with a high-capacity 2.0 amp-hour battery pack for the highest number of screws per charge. It won't overload from high current draws or overheat. Learn more about the PS42 and PS82 12-volt max brushless impactors on this page, where you'll find the complete line of Bosch 12-volt max.
The power of the new fuel impact is great. I'm able to do all the jobs very easily with it. It drills very fast.
Well, the new Milwaukee impact was really fast. The screws go in really nicely.
The new fuel impact is compact and it's really nice for carrying it with us and getting in between studs.
The new fuel impact works great for us. It powers through everything. Even with its smaller size, it gets through everything that we need it to do.
The new fuel impact has plenty of power.
It has different speed settings, which makes it a very versatile tool.
It works very smoothly. The batteries usually last us all day.
It's a great tool. It's small, it's compact, it's powerful.
I'm impressed. New impact will definitely do